This is the Fifine BM88 boom arm. It is a low profile boom arm, so it has the specificity of having the lower part of the boom arm that stays horizontal to your desk. So this way it doesn't go in front of you and it doesn't block your view, for instance, for your monitor. So in this video, I'm gonna show you this boom arm up close. I'm gonna show you how to assemble it and also show you its features. It has some interesting features like cable management, and we'll be testing it. So this is everything you get in the box. You have a user manual, you have the base with the clamp attached to it already, the boom arm, this is a ball head, and 2 Allen wrenches. So to assemble the boom arm, we need to assemble first the ball head to the top of the boom arm. And you do it like this. You need to unscrew this here and then put it like this here. There is like a key. It needs to go in like this. If it doesn't go in, just loosen it a little bit more, and then now it's in. So tighten it here with your fingers and then tighten it a little bit here. So when you tighten it here, it's gonna tighten on the boom arm and it's gonna tighten also the ball head. And notice that the ball head, it has 3 adapters. The first one is 5/8 inches. You can remove it like this. And this here is a 1/4 inch if you have a microphone that has 1/4 inch. And inside the 5/8 inches, you have the 3/8 inches. So you have all the adjustments you need to install your microphone. So I'll be testing it with this Fifine AM8 microphone that takes 5/8 inches. So I'm gonna keep it here like this, tighten it here like this. Now we're gonna install the boom arm to the base, but I'm gonna install the base first to my desk. It will be easier to install the boom arm in it. So I'm gonna install the base here like this. Make sure that you have enough place on your desk to install it, and then you need to tighten it like this. Now one thing I don't like too much is that the tightener doesn't slide like this, so in case you have a pole here on your desk, it will be very hard to tighten it. So tighten it well. That's enough. And now you need to install the boom arm into the base here like this. So it has a screw here that you need to untighten. So this is the screw here. You need to tighten it just a little bit so that the boom arm can slide inside it. That's enough. And now install the boom arm here like this. And now you need to retighten the screw. Do not over tighten it, just enough for it to stop turning. That's enough. Now we need to install the microphone. It's a screw on here simply. So here's the microphone installed. Now we need to install the cable. I'm gonna show you the cable management on this, how it is. You have a cable management that is here. It should be on the bottom, and you have another one that is exactly similar here. I'm gonna show you this one in a bit. So to remove this, there's an arrow here, if you can see it. So see the arrow, it points up. And oddly enough, to remove it, you need to push it down and not up. So this is something, in my opinion, that should be corrected. Just push it down like this and just remove this one. And now I'm gonna connect the USB-C cable to my microphone. And you can simply put the cable in the cable management here. And I'm gonna put it in the one that is at the bottom also. And take this one. And now you need to slide it up to close it. So this is the one on the bottom here. You need to do the same. So here it is in place. This is everything installed, and I've put a keyboard here on purpose so to show you that the boom arm has enough clearance to go above the keyboard. And notice how, because it is low profile, it will not block my view here in front of me. And because of the ball head and all the mechanism of the boom arm, you can place it almost in any way you want. Just make sure to tighten it when you put it like this, for instance, and you can put it like this. And it has many positions, and it is a sturdy boom arm. So this is what I like about it. It is made of metal. It is of very good quality. It will loosen up after like a couple of uses, so don't worry if you find it that to be a little bit tight when you first install it. Now what I don't like too much about it is the cable management. It is a little bit loose in my opinion, but once it is in place, it's gonna stay in place. If you wanna check it out, I'm gonna leave an affiliate link in the description. If you make a purchase using my link, I'll gain a small percentage at no cost to you, and this will support my channel. And if you like this video, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. I want to thank you all for watching. I'm Eloy from Knowledge Sharing Tech. See you in the next video.